everybody, I'm Samantha Cusick and welcome to our brand new YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you something that we get asked all the time, and that's how to make beachy hair waves with our straighteners. So I'm literally going to talk you through exactly how we do it to get the beachy hair that you see all over our Instagram, so you can do it yourselves at home with your straighteners. I'm going to be using my GHD Golds. So this is the latest in the GHD Gold styler. Now the shape of these is perfect for beach waves because they're kind of round but kind of square. So to build that sort of like beachy texture, these are perfect. Okay, so first things first, we're going to section the hair. I'm literally going to just go straight down the back, make two rough bunches, and then take one half and clip it out the way, and we'll deal with this after, one side at a time. Lumpy bit on the back of your head, the occipital bone, and then straight through to the back of the ear. So we're going to be dealing with this underneath section first. So see that. Starting at the back, just fairly good size section. And this is called the push down technique. So what we're going to do, take our straighteners, and the biggest tip I can give you is don't hold them like this because you really restrict the movement. You want to hold them in your fingertips because then you can use the full range of your wrist and you're not restricting yourself, and it means you can't put as much pressure on the plates, so you can just glide through the hair. So this will be a really, really good hair hack for you. So starting with the back, straighteners in our fingertips, we're going to put the hair in straight, so put the straightener in flat, close, twist it all the way around, and then push it down, and that will give us our first wave. Take our next section, same thing, exactly the same, but we're going to twist the other way. But we're going to twist the other way and push down so we can start alternating the direction of the waves. That is our push down technique. Now, one thing that you really want to do is make sure that the ends stay a little bit straighter. We don't want to have that full ringlet effect that gives it that proper like 90s bridesmaid corkscrew. So what we're going to do as well to really build on the texture is a different technique using the irons. So in, and that gives us like a wiggly piece. So we're really building the different textures. This is what's so cool about doing beachy waves with straighteners compared to like a tong or a wand, is that you can really build different techniques and different types of waves. So you get, I don't know, just a much more sort of cool girl sort of wave. I really do love doing it with the straighteners. Once you get the knack of this, it's really, really good. But you can see I'm really starting to build texture, and that's just the first section. Okay, next step, next section. So we're going to take from the back again all the way around to the temple. So we're going to work on this. Okay, so again, starting in the back, we're going to take fairly big sections, and we're going to repeat. So we're going to do the push down technique again, which is in flat, twist it round, and push it down. And twist it, and just pop it out of the way. We're going back. And we're just bouncing it down. Perfect, nice little wiggle. So you can start to see the different textures that we're creating there. When I get to the front sections of the hair, so anything sort of in line with the ear or forwards, I treat those as sort of the hairline. So I don't tend to do the wiggly technique. I always tend to do the push down one because I like that really soft billowy wave at the front. So this will be two sections. So with this section, I'm going to curl towards the face so it lines me up with the front to go away from the face. Now you always want to make sure that the sections at the front curl away. It's just so much more flattering. Close, twist round, and as you twist, you want to bring the straightener up vertical so that you can make sure you feed the ends through. And that is that with the front, but going away from the face. In flat, all the way around, and down. Now we're going to take down our top section of hair And exactly the same thing. Starting in the back, taking our sections, and do the push down technique again. In flat, twist it around, and push down. And just make sure that you feed the hair through. A bit quicker through the ends, and then that's that. So hairline sections next, and we're gonna curl these away from the face. So push down. Okay, so I'm going to repeat exactly this on this side, and then once we've done all that, I'll show you how to brush it out and create that really beachy texture. Now it's all set and all cooled down, I'm going to use my GHD wide tooth comb to separate all my curls. And all I'm going to do is start in the bottom, so in case you've got any knots, you're going to find it easier to push them out. And just separate all those little waves right from root to tip. And we're going to do that all the way through. And then now we can sort of get our hands involved and shake it up a little bit. But you can see all that texture that we've built. I'm not loving how curly this side is. This side, really like, nice and textured. This side, a bit curly for me. So we're gonna go back in with our straighteners and just pull out a few of those little curls. But you can see how much texture that has created. Okay, so I'm happy now with how much texture I've got and the kind of beach waves that I've created using my irons. Now the next step is to put in a little bit of product. Just because personally, when I've used the straighteners, I feel that my hair is super smooth and is prone to going oily in that case. So I like to use my dry shampoo as a texture spray, and that kind of preempts my hair getting oily, so it makes it last longer, so I can get a second day look out of today's beachy waves. Okay, so the dry shampoo that I like to use is this one, IGK Jet Lag. Now I like to use this on clean hair because it's invisible, it's weightless, it's not powdery. So I like to use the powdery ones next day because I need a little bit more just to help cleanse it. But this is great just to preempt that and just add a bit of longevity, but also build serious beachy texture. So all we're gonna do is spritz this all the way through. Perfect. Beachy. So there you have it, super beachy waves. Now I personally like to have that side tucked behind my ear just because I've got these really cute earrings and I want to see them. So yeah, that is beachy waves using your straighteners. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, then please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more tutorials that we're going to be making. If there is anything specific that you want me to show you or want to learn, then please leave a comment below and I can get around to making a video for you. Yeah, thank you so much and I'll see you next week. So giveaway time. If you want to win all of these products, in the giveaway I have got this huge bag of GHD things. I've got this, which is their brand new Platinum Plus styler, classic wave wand, and this, a GHD hairdryer. Plus we've got a whole box of my favourite Sacha Joanne products, the hair mousse, volume cream, styling cream, and my fave, the ocean mist. I'm also giving away an appointment in the salon to come and have your hair blow dried, and I'll teach you how to do some of the curling techniques that you see in the videos this weekend. If you want to win all of the prizes in our giveaway, then all you need to do is like, subscribe and comment on the videos, and then we'll pick a winner and they'll be announced in next week's video on the 7th of Feb.